welcome back. This video is just gonna be on different songs that you can use for your marriage, to strengthen your marriage. Whether you're fighting temptation, you're getting married, you're trying to bring peace between two families, I got you. Stay tuned, okay? Let's get on into it. The first one, the song that you can do is Psalm 24, verse 1, 7, and 8. Okay, that's good for when you're getting married because you know you want to keep God, bring God into your marriage. You know, you just don't want it to be you and your partner or your spouse. Invite God into the marriage too, so that's a good one for that. 150 is when you're celebrating, well, 150 verse 1 through 6, when you're celebrating an anniversary. You just want to be blessed with plenty more, right? 29 is good to drive out the devil and restore peace into your home. Because you got to remember, a lot of people out there are not happy for your union, so you want to protect this at all costs, okay? And just be vigilant and make sure that you and your spouse are on one accord, that y'all are in this thing together, okay? 45 is good for peace between you and your spouse. It's also good to a calm and angry spouse. Also, 46 is good for quarrels regardless. But that's good to help a struggling marriage if you want to fight for your marriage. You know, we're not trying to do nothing to manipulate nobody or no, this is if you really want to work on your marriage and y'all are coming together and agree on these things. Y'all praying together, okay? So yeah, that's good to soothe the marital tension. And I'm gonna put some more in the description box below or in the comments because I don't want to make the video too long. To restore peace between two hostile families, 98. 117 is good for, well, I put that one below. 118 is good for protection against misguidance, or you can use that one when you're looking for a new home. You know, you're starting your life together, and that's a good one for that. 139 is good to nurture and maintain that love. You know, how did you feel when you saw that person walking down the aisle, or when you got down on one knee to ask them to marry you? How did you feel? You just want to maintain that, okay? 30 to become patient, because you just need that regardless, whether it's on the job with your spouse, kids, the other family. Psalm 30 for patience, okay? 15 is good to cast away resentment. 25 is good for guidance. 23 is good for guidance. 23 is good for a lot of things, but 23 good for guidance and peace. Yeah, you just want a peace-filled life. 23. 72, improve financial conditions. You know, y'all might hit a little, you know. 80 is very important. Overcome those who plot against you. Everybody ain't happy for you, okay? So I just want you to stay 10 steps ahead of the game, okay? 60 is good for strength in time of temptation. 56 is good also when tempted towards evil lusts. And 150, when you just feel grateful, that's like a just because, like, you know, it's nothing in particular, but that's a just because one, okay? So I'm gonna put more down below. So I wish you, well, I'm sending you so much love and light, wishing you many years of happiness with your significant other. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I hope this helped. Y'all like the video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Yeah, and as always, stay blessed and highly favored.